Page 31, Mailman. This is a little longer piece than we've had before. There's just using all the different rests. They've stuck it all in here. Well, let's look it over. Go through my process for learning a new piece of music, because no matter how long it is or how complicated it is, I can use the same process and it takes me through it. And I just build the piece up one thing at a time. So first, I look it over. I see it's 4 lines long, or a whole page long in this case. Treble and bass clef, 4/4 time signature, and I'm seeing half notes and quarter notes and whole notes, and then all the rest that go along with them. Okay. It looks like only one hand at a time is playing, so I can take both hands together. I mean, normally I just do one hand at a time, but to shorten this video up a little bit, I'm going to take them together here. So it starts out, and they don't give you any finger numbers. That's interesting. I don't know why. Usually they'll give you finger numbers at the beginning to help you out. However, I am here, so I will tell you. At the beginning, you're starting in middle C position. It's here. So it's whichever finger on those notes, that's what you're going to use. Here's here and here is what it is. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So you don't rush these rests. It's the feeling is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you want to go on. Keep a steady beat going and rest the whole measure. Don't rush it. If you read the words, the point is this kid is waiting for the mail. And the mail is just so late, and why isn't it coming? And so you get all these measures of rest because he's waiting for this mail to come in, and it isn't coming. I've done that many times when I was little. When I was waiting for a package, I would say, oh, come on, come on, come on. And it's like took forever for it to come. And so I know the feeling. I know his pain here. Now, once you have the notes and the rhythms and everything figured out, then go back through and get rid of any hesitations. So it's a steady beat throughout. How fast you go is up to you, but it's got to be a steady beat throughout. And then we can think about the interpretation. And again, the natural accent. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. To feel these natural accents in a 1, 2, 3, 4 throughout the whole piece. As far as phrasing goes, you have to worry about it. The rests are telling you. You get a whole measure rest at the end of each phrase. It's like, whoa. So you're connecting everything up until the rests. That's my speed to take it. You can take it at your speed. If you're going to sing it, how fast would you sing it? I don't sing in my videos. Torture enough as it is, so let's leave that out. But if you want to sing, you go right ahead. Let's play this together slowly and double check the notes and the rhythms and all. Give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, rest, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, rest, 2, 3, 4. 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Tie. 2, 3, 4. Off.